So if we go this side, this is the preferred club side where you have all the VIP stuff. So I haven't been to the side, so you have different areas for sports, which I haven't been to. I don't know if it goes up this way. Oh, the other thing that I forgot to tell you, that every day there's actually a show. So today we have a fire show at 8:15 at the main plaza, where I told you guys that we actually have like the main plaza place where they have the shows and everything. I don't know what's this side, honestly speaking. I don't know if this is where they have the tennis and all of that, but let's see. Let's go and explore, because this side here is the VIP members side. So if you are part of their VIP members, this is the side that you're going to be staying at and everything. So let's see if, I don't know, let's go to the top. I don't know if we have the sports places on this side. I'm not sure, or am I just going to rooms? I don't know. But hey, we're exploring together. We've never been to the side of the place. We came here for the day when they did the presentation of the property and they were showing us what they have. I think these are rooms, guys. Yeah, I think these are just rooms. Oh no! Wow! So this is actually where they have the games and everything. This is so cool! I don't think people come here because you see how empty it is. Oh, this is so nice. You can play putt-putt. This place is honestly amazing. You putt-putt here. So it's on the rooftop, because this is protection, that you do not go and jump over. This is our view. Oh, we're somewhere that side, but not this side, but the other side. So cool. We have literally been boring, guys. We have done nothing but stay in our room and just sleep. Well, yesterday we sat at the pool, but the whole time we haven't been doing much. So this side is the tennis courts and stuff. Let's go around, because this side, oh my eyes, the sun is not out, but it is a bit out. And they've got bathrooms up here as well. My word, it is so windy. I don't know what this is. Is this like golf as well? Some sort of, I guess you psh, and it goes in there. It just got very windy up here. This is just empty spot. Maybe there's something you can do here as well. Guys, if you know what they do with this open field place here. And this is where we have tennis and volleyball. Oh, this place is nice. This is for, I guess, volleyball and more tennis. Maybe that one is like tennis for kids. I don't know, but this place is, I like it. I don't know, I'm shying away from walking on the green, on the field place. I'm just walking around. Oh, parking. This is the front. This is the front side. And I guess that's another resort over there. Ooh, there's the ocean. Guys, this place is nice. Okay, let's go back down and explore the adult section. But the amenities here are amazing, because you have all of this. I don't think a lot of people use these things. Now that I know they have these things here as well, it's nice. It's honestly nice. So I wonder what's on the second floor, because there's also like a second floor. Let's go see what's on the second floor. I hope it's not people's rooms, because I thought these were people's rooms as well. But I guess this is where the sports fields are. But so far, I'm liking this resort. It is super huge. It's got like amenities for everybody. But I guess people are here to be by the beach, swim, you know, relax and not like play sport. That is why it's quite empty up here. People just don't, yeah, we're here to relax, you know, not be exerting a lot of energy. I haven't seen a gym though. I haven't seen a gym. Let's see if we can find a gym. So there's nothing on the second floor. It's just the stairs. So it's the stairs going down from upstairs or going up, whatever direction you're going, and then stairs again. So there's nothing on the second floor. I don't know why they made it like they should have just had ground and third floor and that's it. But that is it. So now we're going to the adult only side, well, the VIP side, preferred club side. As you guys can see, as you're coming, you have this nice sitting area, and there's the preferred club over there, and then they have a hotel. So I'm not sure if this hotel is also just for the VIP or it's for everybody. I need to find out. I can ask, but we can try to come here today. This is French cuisine. Okay, it's called Mercure and it's French. I don't know if it's for everyone or not, but we'll see later. So when we were doing the tour, they told us like the preferred club has like very high standard drinks and stuff, which for us, honestly, we don't drink like your whiskeys, you know, those very expensive brands. But yeah, guess now we see there's building 6 to 7. That's more rooms that side. We want to go see the 8 and 9 as well. We want to go to the pool so you guys can see the adult only pool. I think I'm lost. Okay, we found the pool. So you see, this is like preferred guests only area, preferred club guests only. So I guess this is also like just, but I guess if you have kids, but it's more quiet this side. But also, you see what I was saying, I do not like the whole vibe they have this side, just because they have the rooms that are facing each other, like the balcony. Yes, you have a hot tub, but it's outside. You cannot really be in the hot tub, and it's just adults only. It's quiet, which is nice, but it's similar. They also have a swimmer bar. So yeah, nothing fancy, but you see with the rooms here, the guy was trying to sell us on, oh, you see you have a hot tub outside, but what am I going to do with a hot tub? What am I going to do with a hot tub outside? Nothing. So really, it really doesn't make a difference. So yeah. Oh yeah, so they were trying to sell us on that. Yes, it is a bit quiet. You've got no party side. You don't have, what is this? You don't have a lot of kids this side, which is nice and quiet. But honestly, for me, it's the same. Hola. Hola. So yeah, but anyways, now let's go and explore the rest of the grounds on the other side. Oh, my favorite part actually. This place has a lot of sitting areas for drinks, for everything. So you always have somewhere to sit. So even if there's like, maybe it's because it's not high season right now, it's not peak season right now, maybe that's why, but it's actually quite lovely. It's honestly quite lovely to have so much sitting. So there's another hotel there. I mean, a restaurant. We have another restaurant there. We have 2 restaurants, or is it 1? 2 restaurants. And here, the other day, they had like a market happening here, a whole flea market vibe. And this is the resort, Dreams Jade Cancun. Not Cancun, Rivera Maya. So that's like another restaurant. That's where we were yesterday, the Italian restaurant, Capers. Ooh, there's a yacht going out. Because this side is a bit better, even though, because it's not that busy. There's no pool here, so there's not a lot of people that are sitting around here, because by the pool there's just people sitting, and then you have your balcony there, and it's not nice. This is the breakfast area where we had breakfast this morning. Well, every morning. We haven't used this sitting area, but this is another sitting area. Yesterday they had it set up for a wedding. So that side is if you're coming out from the preferred area, so you can go that side to sit on the beach and everything, but that's still part of the resort. This is the first restaurant we came to, well, bar. So I asked for a cocktail. So here, the cocktails, I just asked for anything because the cocktail doesn't really taste like alcohol. I've had 2 different cocktails, and both of them were like, like cocktail, really didn't taste like much. So I now just have cocktail, because the first time I said I want a mocktail, but then it really didn't make a difference. So now I just asked them, just make me any cocktail you want. See, he's making something, I don't know what. This one keeps on adding alcohol. Ooh, look at my cocktail. Thank you. Guys, this cocktail looks so cute, but I'm gonna mess it up because I want to drink the whole thing and not just, have alcohol only and all of that, but it looks so cute. Yep, I told you this one has a lot of alcohol. I can taste the alcohol in this one. I saw him making it and it was like, woo! He's adding so much. But anyways, let's carry on with can you please throw this? Thank you. So another thing that I like about this resort is that from anywhere you see, from this bar, from everywhere, you can actually go onto the beach. Oh, this is where they had the wedding yesterday, the wedding ceremony. They had it here and the view was amazing. I'm like, babe, we need to come and have our wedding ceremony here as well. Bring the whole family here. Or maybe there's something similar in South Africa, But, oh my word, look at that, guys. I almost stepped on that thing. Oh, it is so big. It was here by the, what's this? Oh my word, look at that. I didn't see it and it just jumped off. Now I'm very scared. Oh, you see, they also serve you at the beach. They come to you to serve you your drinks and everything. So, which is quite nice. So here as well, you can book like private cabanas thingy to sit at. But there's the breakfast restaurant or buffet restaurant. And people are just sitting and enjoying. Yesterday we sat on that side in the evening. on this infinity pool side, you have the sunbeds inside, which is quite nice. So you can sit in here and just look at the ocean. It's nice.